If you've ever wanted to create a little short story using just an AI tool like this one, stay tuned because we're going to create all of the images used on this video and all of the prompts used in this video as well, starting from scratch, and it takes less than 10 minutes. Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. My name is Santiago. I'm really glad that you're back here seeing another tutorial. We are continuing this series about Higgsfield, that is the software that you're seeing on screen right now. Higgsfield is an AI powered tool where you can create videos using various tools. You can do it using a prompt, you can do it using an image, you can also create images out of prompts, you can create characters, most of the things that you're seeing on screen right now on the top right here. This is Higgsfield's homepage. As you see right here, there are a bunch of different things that you can do. The most recent one is the Nano Banana update. We're going to be checking out that in an upcoming video. So if you don't want to miss out any of these videos, I really invite you to subscribe to the channel and check the videos that we have done about this software and the ones that are upcoming as well. On this video, we're going to be creating an 8-scene cinematic Christmas story. We are going to be doing that using different tools inside of the software. And at the end, I'll show you the final result that we get. I am using one of the paid plans of Higgsfield. If you want to use one of those as well, there are some affiliate links on the description box down below for you guys to use. So without further ado, let's get started with the video. We're going to start with the popcorn tool. We checked out this tool on the first video that we did about Higgsfield. On this tool on the bottom, as you see right here, you can do a bunch of different stuff. Right now it is in auto, where you can upload images and then describe the actions to be created on the scenes. You can do it on manual mode, where you can manually describe what's happened in each of the specific scenes, and you can add scenes. But first of all, if you want to create an image starting with Higgsfield, you can go to the image tool right here on the top and click on create image, and you can just write whichever prompt that you want, and then you can create an image out of the software. You can do it using a character, as you see right here on the screen. This is the character that we created in some of the previous videos using my face. But I want to create a character out of scratch, just a basic character that we can use with the Christmas story. So let's say that we want to create a Christmas character. That is a very general prompt. And then we can just click on generate. And the software is going to take a couple of minutes to create 4 different versions of the characters, so we can pick the one best suited for us. So after a couple of seconds, the software has already created our characters. These 4 on the top right here are the ones that the software created with the prompt. You can pick from the one that you like the most, or if you don't like them, you can write another prompt, or you can even change the model that the software is using. Right now it's in general. But let's say that you wanted to create a Y2K character or a digital cam character, you could choose from all these different other visual styles. I think I'm going to pick this third one. I'm just going to download that image. What I'm going to do next is I'm going to face swap this character with myself. I also downloaded this image that I'm going to be using in the face swap. So if we go to character and go to face swap, we can then select the image that we want to add the face to and the target image. So the first one that I'm going to upload is the one with my face, and the target image is going to be the character that we created using Higgsfield. After we have uploaded both images, we can just click on this option right here and just wait for a couple of minutes for the software to do the face swap. And after a couple of minutes, this is the image that the software created. I'm going to download it once again and save it locally on my computer. And what I'm going to do next is go to the popcorn tool. I'm going to go to the manual tool. I'm going to upload a reference image. I'm going to upload the character that I created with my face, as well as the other character. And I'm going to describe what happens in each individual scene. So this would be the scenes that we're going to be using. We could create up to 8 different scenes, but since we uploaded 2 reference images, we just have 6 to use right here. You can select the aspect ratio of the final scenes. Right now it's in 3:4. I'm going to leave it like that. And once everything's looking exactly like you want it to, you can just click on generate. And then the software is going to take a couple of minutes to create the different scenes. And after a couple of minutes, these are the scenes that the software created using the instructions that we wrote. These 6 different scenes. You can download all of these images, or the ones that you deem most important. I'm going to download the first one and the last one so I can show you how to create a little animation. So I'm just going to download this one and name it 1. And I'm going to download this one as well and name it 2. If you go to the AI video generator tool right here on create video under the video tab, you can choose a starting image and then a final image for you to create a little animation, a starting frame and an end frame. So the starting frame is going to be picture number 1 and the end frame is going to be picture number 2. And you can describe what is happening on the scene. I'm just going to copy paste what I had written on the first place using the different scenes. And then you can just click on generate and wait for a couple of seconds for the software to create the little scene. So this is the little video that the software created with the starting frame and the end frame. As you see, it animates different parts of the video. It animates, for example, the snow falling, as I told the software to do. It animates the way that the character moves, its mouth, its eyes, the tree right here. Everything in the video is animated in a really cool way, and we created everything from scratch using just Higgsfield. You could also download this video if you wanted to with this little arrow right here. You can save it locally in your computer for you to use in different projects. And just as easy as that, you can create little short videos in the theme that you want. This is just a Christmas theme because Christmas is really near, but you can do it whichever way that you want. I really invite you guys to try all of the tools that this software has. As you see, it's really deep and it has a lot of things that you can dive into. Once again, my name is Santiago. I'm really glad that you saw this video. And without further ado, I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye bye.